What's up, everybody? Got a new one today. But before we get into that, hit that like, hit that subscribe, do your thing, leave a comment, share it. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So today we have, of course, I know y'all are looking, an A7 III again, but this one was actually sent in from a subscriber that watched my video, tried to replace the shutter, got it back together, and she's doing the classic, when you go to shoot, camera error, turn power off, then on. So they sent it to me, and so far, I mean, all the screws, you could tell somebody did go there. Got those screws back, that's good. But hopefully it's just a flex cable or something like that. We are going to dive into this and see what went wrong. Didn't really ask where they got the shutter or anything like that. So we're gonna fix whatever's wrong with it. Let's do tools of the day. Cross point screwdrivers. Hit that link if you ain't seen it. It'll explain everything. Got 2.5 and 2.0 today. Got straight tweezers, got your curved tweezers. Can't leave home without it. And good old spud. But I don't think we'll need spud for a lot today. Hope everybody's doing well, staying positive. Let's get this done. You know, we always start with the viewfinder, because she's right there. Don't forget the screw behind the screen. I'm hoping I just pop this back off and boom, there's a noticeable flex cable right there. Still a nice job, didn't strip any screws. Screws are put back in the right place so far. I love it when people try to do or attempt to fix their own stuff. It's awesome. Give it a little wiggle. There we go. All right. Yeah, y'all like that? Only the thumb. Now, we are going to look underneath this guy and see both are inserted. We're going to go ahead and take you off. Oh, you popped out. We're going to have to dig deeper. Oh, you're missing a screw right there. Oh, you know what, boy? There might be that screw. You're missing that screw back there. I mean, let's get deeper. Go deeper. That is definitely, and you're missing the screw inside of there. All right, spoke too soon earlier. So we got 2 screws missing. What's my slogan? That's how I'm gonna start doing my interviews. Film yourself taking the camera apart and putting the camera back together, but you gotta film it. I'll send both cameras and the tools and those. Oh yeah, that's right. Taking this bottom plate off to see if there's a screw on the bottom part of the sensor. Yeah, I think something is stuck on. Oh, what do you know? The screw that was missing from right here is stuck on the IBIS. Look at there. Boom. Now we jiggling. I kind of felt like she just wasn't shaking it real loose. I felt like she was real tense. It's okay, I've been fired before. He's still missing that screw that's inside of there. Now, let's put her back together. Well, we need to get that screw that goes in there. Junkyard, baby, baby. And I guess you could say it's a little sad that I know what screw goes in there. And that's mainly because I work on these every day. Multiple. Alright. No screw left behind. Now you got at least those 4. And probably he tried to get that screw in. The magnet grabbed the screw and he didn't even realize. Put the camera back together. Maybe just felt defeated and did not want to take it back apart. Okie artichoke. Alright, got those 4. You can go back on. Crazy boy. Let's check it. Wow, it turned on pretty quick. So, I have to say that this subscriber did a great job. I'm dead serious. You just missed 2 screws. Well, literally 1 screw. The other screw was stuck on the IBIS. Low key, all you had to do was take it back apart, and that is pretty cool. I want to know how long it took. I'm gonna call him here in a couple hours, depending on where he lives, and I'm gonna ask him how long it took and did he enjoy it. Pause. Because that is a good job. I have seen way worse with attempts from customers, clients, viewers, subscribers, all that jazz. All right. Now let me check something real quick. Daggone viewfinder. Yeah, we're good. Now all I gotta do is clean this some of my gun. This was one of the easiest customer DIYs. No broken flex cables. Man, like, seriously, y'all. People's first time, they tear all type of stuff up. Make sure it's diopting, baby. To this subscriber, you killed it. I'm impressed. I'm gonna send them some stuff. To me, that's cool, man. I highly encourage trying to do some of the stuff. Definitely a shutter replacement is definitely advanced, 100%. The fact that I got put back this soundly is amazing. I appreciate y'all's time. I appreciate your patience. Appreciate your eyes. I love what I do. I hope you do as well. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe. Shoot your boy super thanks. Share this. Leave a comment. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace. I'm no joke, you know. I'm no joke, I'm no joke, you know. I'm no